All right, we're going to be installing the belt. Once you've gotten your drum in, get your belt positioned over the drum. Make sure you align the belt. You'll notice that the drum has a marking. Try and mark your drum in the same direction in which you remove it from, and that will help you to align the belt back exactly where it was on the drum. Now, make sure you face the rib, which is the rubber portion of the belt. That should face the drum. The opposite side is going to be the portion that has the writing or the label. That will be against the idler pulley. And once you're done, you push the pulley forward, get it over the motor, and once you're done, you're going to rotate the drum, and this is going to help you and save you in the event that you have a twisted belt. You won't have to take the machine back apart. Very crucial. Make sure you don't miss this step. And this will get the belt in alignment. All right, pretty much good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.